Hello all. Are you a CA Foundation student who is appearing for the upcoming May 2025 attempt? And if your preparation got stuck because of lacking conceptual clarity, then do not worry at all. Lakshya is there for you. In our YouTube channel, we have uploaded the revision videos for all the foundation subjects: accounts, law, QT, and economics. If you have zero knowledge on the concept, then you can watch these videos. If you already know the concept, then you can still watch these videos because this will definitely boost your preparation. And by the way, not only CA Foundation students, these videos will be helpful even for CMA Foundation students. So all the revision links has been given in the description box. Go and check it. And one more point, my dear students, which I want to tell you is, before going to main exam, write at least 2 mock exams. Because one, if you are doing any mistakes, then you can correct those mistakes at these mocks itself. And 2, it will increases your confidence while you're writing the main exam, especially for the descriptive papers like accounts and law. In law, the common problem which everyone faces is they don't know how to write the answer for a question. For that, I made a dedicated video on how to present a case study question. Go and check it. So the conclusion is, make a proper schedule for all the subjects, try to complete the syllabus on time by watching the videos, revision videos, and write mocks. During this preparation, don't feel demotivated. Just believe in yourself. Some days the preparation may be effective and some days may not. The key is to stay consistent. Whatever happens, just be focused and study. And don't forget at all that Lakshya is always there for you. Thank you. All the best for your exams.